Om Namah Shivaya. Hi friends, how are you? In this video we are going to learn about hypothalamus act as thermostat. Hypothalamus act as thermostat for its key role in body temperature regulation. Hypothalamus is known as thermostat. Thermosensor cells in hypothalamus detect changes in temperature of blood and receive inputs from thermosensitive receptor in the skin. The information received is matched with the set point for body temperature, and accordingly hypothalamus initiates appropriate temperature regulating mechanism. Hypothalamus acts as thermostat for its key role in body temperature regulation. Hypothalamus known as thermostat. Thermosensor cells in hypothalamus detect the change in temperature of blood and receive inputs from thermosensitive receptors in the skin. The information received is mismatched. The information received is matched with the set point for body temperature. Matched with the set point for body temperature, and accordingly hypothalamus initiates appropriate temperature regulating mechanism. Okay. In this function, this hypothalamus is divided into two, that is anterior hypothalamus and posterior hypothalamus. Okay, anterior hypothalamus and posterior hypothalamus. If our body temperature is increased or set above and above the set point, this anterior hypothalamus activates the mechanism that causes the heat loss. Okay, that causes the heat loss, especially by causing vasodilation and sweating. Okay, especially by causing vasodilation and sweating. It causes when our body temperature increases, anterior hypothalamus activated are recognized and activates the mechanism that decrease or loss the heat by causing vasodilation and sweating. This is about anterior hypothalamus. When our body temperature is coming down the set point, okay, when our body temperature comes below the set point, posterior hypothalamus activates the mechanism that increases the body temperature. This is caused by vasodilation and increases the production of prostaglandins. Okay, and by increasing the production of prostaglandins. Here we have to note one point. Okay, the antipyretics. Okay, the antipyretics that decrease the, we all know that antipyretics decreases the body temperature. Okay, decreases the fever of our body. How it does? Okay, it does by decreasing the production of prostaglandins. These antipyretics causes the decreasing our body temperature by decreasing the production of prostaglandins. Okay guys, see here, in fact antipyretics act by decreasing the production of prostaglandins. And some other point you have to know: role of posterior pituitary. When our body temperature is low, the posterior hypothalamus activates the heat conversion by cutaneous vasoconstriction and pillow erection. Okay, this posterior hypothalamus increases the body temperature. This is about anterior hypothalamus. Okay guys, when our body temperature is above the set point, this anterior hypothalamus activates the mechanism that promote heat loss, especially by cutaneous vasodilation and sweating. Okay, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.